Hey, sixth graders, welcome back. We will learn today about Ojibwe migration from the east. And this is a screen of a page in your Northern Lights text. And let's see, what page is it? It is page 4.05. And you will be using this for your assignment today. Basically, you're going to be learning about how Ojibwe used to live on the east coast by the Atlantic Ocean, and then over a period of time migrated west along the Great Lakes. In some places split apart and eventually ended up to a place where food grew on water. That food was what? That's right, wild rice. So in readings I've done, it said that Ojibwe...
Montreal.
Oh, you can click on this and it'll tell you. Ojibwe started migrating about 1,500 years ago, so 1,500 years ago, and it took them basically hundreds of years to make their way along this path. And they traveled in, it's believed to be smaller groups, not really large groups, because much of this, all of North America was already occupied by other indigenous people or First Nations people. So what you're going to learn about today is the Ojibwe migration, how that worked, and your assignment is going to be this sheet. So it looks like this. It's a close activity. You're going to write the essential question about the Ojibwe migration, which basically is, what are some important details about the Ojibwe migration? All right, so complete this exercise and then answer your question. Then I'd like you to go to page 4.05 in the early Ojibwe chapter in Northern Lights and view this map below and notice the arrow that shows the route early Ojibwe traveled. Use a red pen or colored pencil and draw the arrows onto the map. So basically you're going to open up your MN Studies text and find this, and you'll see how these arrows will show you the route that Ojibwe take, and I just want you to draw them in as they travel from Atlantic Ocean through the Gulf of St. Lawrence, the St. Lawrence River, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, this area called Sault Ste. Marie. It's spelled S-A-U-L-T, but for some reason it's pronounced Sault Ste. Marie, and then Lake Superior. And then we're going to prepare for our test, and you're going to do a quizzes. All right, so quizzes, not Quizlet. So I will send you the link or show you the link on what to do for the Quizlet. All right, so for now, I would like you to start on your assignment, which is this early Ojibwe migration sheet. All right, so come on up and get it.